Yo, 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 what is up, my people? I just left Home Depot to grab some stuff for today's video. Today I am doing a oil change on my outboard on my Gatortail. So I had to go run and pick up some oil and a oil filter. And we're gonna go ahead and do this service video. I will meet y'all at the shop. Well, sorry I had to piece this video together little by little with short snippets that I took off of my phone. I tried to get a whole video today, but I went out and filmed a fishing video Thursday, and my GoPro was giving me an SD error card, something or another issue or error message, one of the two. And I was filming for my other channel today as well, and when I was trying to make that video, the message came back. But next service that I do on the boat, I'm gonna do a whole video start to finish. I checked valve lash on it today. I'll try to do that at some point, so any of y'all looking for Gatortail or Mud Buddy or Pro Drive, all of them use the same Vangaurd engine, so I'll have that adjustment for you guys at some point down the road. But I do plan on doing a whole service video. But if any of y'all like today's video, just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see, and I'll get it coming for you guys. Peace.